trumpet blew, no sword was raised, no warrior moved, no fire blazed. But God had stirred a phantom sound and turned the mighty to the ground. There was no sound of war, but victory still broke the door. He sent confusion, fear, and flight, and turned